Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in silver, it looks great. You do have your Jeep badging out front with your halogen headlights right there, and your fog lights just down there with your tow hooks there. Coming around the side we do have our 18-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. Lots of tread left on them and they look great. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your spare tire in the Jeep fashion there. You got some tow hooks there, and to open it up we just got to press this. Looks great back here, lots of room. You do have your speaker right here. You can lift this up just by pulling this guy up, just like that. Your jack is under there as well, and then you got that guy up there if you do want to take the top off as well. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have your panic button there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have your lock as well as your electric lock right there. Handle here, and some storage right in here with a little stretchy material. Looks great in here as well. You got the Sahara badging on there and the white stitching. It makes it stand out, feels very nice as well. You do also have the controls over your lights here. So you do have the off, the on, the daytime running lights, and the auto right there, as well as your fog lights and your turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have the speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have what gear we're in and how many kilometers we have, 51,000, not too bad at all. We also have our average liters per 100 kilometers right there. We have our distance till empty, the time, you have which way we're facing, as well as the temperature. And that is controlled all from right here, as well as you have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Control over the windshield wipers is right there, of course. And then in the center you do have your radio, so you have your seek options up here. You also have your FM and AM, disc, aux cord, forward and rewind. You have your eject and your time, volume up and down with the power, presets down here, set. You have your browser there. You have the control of the windows right here, and then down here we do have the power up and down for the climate control, circulation, heat and AC. Then you have where it's going to blow it up right there. You have the mirror control here, traction control, downhill assist. You also have your hazard lights, your outlet. You have a plug in there. A little stretchy material over here as well. You have the control over the 2-wheel and 4-wheel and all that there. Then you also have your gear shift right here, e-brake, and some cup holders. You have your armrest that doubles as a storage container, top layer, and your bottom layer right there, as well as your glove box right over here. It is a locking glove box, always nice and handy. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle as well as the lock handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. You do have the handle in case you're off-roading or whatnot. You got very nice seats as well, same material. Control over the windows right there, and some cup holders. You also got this guy that folds the seat down just like that. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that is it for my walk around video of the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.